Yeah, welcome back. So today's video I'm going to show you how to solve Dr. X verification and how we'll be able to connect our wallet. So now let's firstly solve Dr. X verification. So I'm going to open our Dr. X now. Now here now how do you solve this multi-fast address? So we're going to click here, also click here. It's going to take you directly to your browser. Now how to verify, what you need to do is click on this, then click on start. Then after that, you need to go to you need to go to your Sunwaves to go and copy the verification code. So what you need to do is go back and go to your Sunwaves. Once you reach your Sunwaves, what you need to do is click on this your provider. Once you click on your provider, click on your settings. Once you click on your settings, you see the verification code, click on it and you click on copy. And once you click on copy, go back to your Dr. X and let's go and paste our code there. Just click on this and click on paste. And you can see and click on mark as complete. You can see this is very simple. Paste it there. Once you click on paste, the mark as, then click on verify. Okay, now I can see the first one we are done. Tap to end, say sign up on. Okay, you can see. Click on it again. Click on paste, then click on mark as complete. Then click on mark as complete. Click the code here again. Just make sure you put all the code. Click on and click on verify. So I need to wait for it. Okay guys, so now you can see for us to be able to verify, we have to sign up on Sunwaves, we have to sign up on Confluent, or say Send, and on Crypto Mail. So that's all we need to do. So guys, make sure you sign up on all these four. Once you sign up on all these four, click copy the code one by one, and once you are done, click on verify. But guys, don't worry, I'm going to drop a video that completes everything for you to be able to verify. So guys, don't worry, but you can still do it on your own. But you can still wait up for a tutorial on how to finish all these steps to be able to verify correctly. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you guys.